Hey, Tom at Artec Industries. I'm the sales director here, as well as the founder of Wasatch Off-Road in Salt Lake City. Been wheeling for about 25 years. I'd like to tell you about this new Bantam Series high clearance rear bumper for the JTs. This is a new modular bumper. It fits super tight to the body. It is made of 7-gauge steel, has 1/4-inch zinc plated bracketry on it. This bumper is a tank. You're not going to have to worry about any damage to your vehicle if you actually run this bumper. This one has the high clearance end caps, so you do have to trim sides of the bed up a little bit for this option. For the people that are wanting to build more of a crawler oriented vehicle, we do have a both side option available as well, and we do have another option that is going to be no modification to the sides of the bed at all. So it's going to be more of a bolt-on application. There's no frame modification needed for this, and the awesome thing about this bumper is it's available with a 2-inch receiver that will be behind your license plate, so you're getting 6.5 inches clearance over OEM. And if you don't want to do that high clearance receiver and you want to use your vehicle for a lot of overlanding and want rear recovery, there's actually a winch basket available that'll be behind the license plate that flips up as well, that will hold up to a 12,000-pound winch for you. The nice thing is it does come with these D-ring mounts here, provisions for your backup sensors. If your Jeep doesn't have backup sensors, don't worry, we've got plugs that go in and cover that. So it's just a really clean bumper with nice subtle lines, and it's the nicest looking bumper that you're ever going to find for a Gladiator.